Hey you! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss remote work versus digital nomad life, Insurance Edition. Let's get started. As the job market is always evolving, new ways of working gain popularity quick. So did remote working when it became a standard way of working a few years ago. There are many advantages of working remotely, but it can get even better. Allow us to introduce you to the world of digital nomads. You may have heard of it before, but thought it was only for a select few. This was also the case in the past with remote working, and just like that, it turned into a standard way of working for all. Working as a digital nomad is also gaining popularity and becoming a standard way of working for many. 1. Difference between remote workers and digital nomads. At first glance, there may not be any difference between working remotely and working as a digital nomad. These two forms of working do indeed have a lot of similarities, but there are some differences. One of them involves insurance. As a remote worker, you are able to work anywhere. This usually turns out to be working at home, at a cafe, or sometimes even on vacation. Many companies offer their employees health, life, and disability insurance as they would in any traditional office setting. When working as a digital nomad, life may be considered one big vacation as you work in the most beautiful, interesting, or excluded places in the world. It's all up to you. Therefore, it's essential to have insurance that covers all your needs when working as a digital nomad. 2. Freelancer versus direct employee. In the past, most remote workers used to be freelancers or others who worked on a free basis. Nowadays, direct employees are also working remotely, so there isn't a difference in that anymore. Regarding digital nomads, 98% of them work as freelancers, other types of contractual workers, or on a free basis. Therefore, as a digital nomad, you are responsible for your own insurance. 3. Insurance needs for remote workers. As we mentioned before, for remote workers, insurance needs are similar of those of office-bound colleagues. Health insurance remains a top priority with the added advantage of being able to choose from more networks of healthcare providers. Remote workers might also consider renter's insurance if they work from a rented space. If you're a remote worker and you're interested in insurance specifically tailored to remote workers, we encourage you to take a look at the remote health insurance at Safety Wing. This is premium health insurance that works in every country across the world. 4. Insurance needs for digital nomads. Digital nomads require specialized coverage due to their fleeting nature. Insuring their work gear, such as laptop, tripods, etc., is a must. Trip cancellations are also an important part of many insurance policies for digital nomads. But arguably the most important one is travel insurance for unexpected medical expenses and health insurance that covers international emergencies. Nomad insurance from Safety Wing is an insurance product that we recommend digital nomads to look into if they are looking for reliable and affordable travel medical insurance. Of course, there isn't a set way that remote workers or digital nomads should work. This means that remote workers can turn into digital nomads and vice versa. As this is a work situation that often occurs, it is great to have insurance that will cover you in both situations. So now that you know more about the differences in insurance needs for remote workers and digital nomads, we would like to tell you more about travel medical insurance. And not just any travel medical insurance, but travel medical insurance from Safety Wing. Safety Wing just launched their new and improved Nomad Insurance 2.0, and it is the ideal travel medical insurance. We already briefly touched on what you can expect, but here's a short summary including the new Nomad 2.0 key features. Safety Wing's Nomad Insurance 2.0 includes medical coverage for if you are in an accident or fall sick and need medical assistance outside of your home country. A few of the benefits that are included are medically necessary treatment of unexpected illness or injury, ambulance and emergency transportation, medical evacuation, and emergency dental treatment. On the travel side, Nomad Insurance 2.0 includes coverage for travel delay, lost checked luggage, emergency response, natural disasters, and personal liability. A few of the benefits that are included are an unforeseen event in your home country for which you need to go home, unplanned overnight stay, lost checked luggage, accommodation in a different place if a natural disaster causes evacuation, evacuation from local political unrest, and personal liability, and of course also arrangement for your body in case you die and cash payout for your beneficiary in case of an accidental death. Now on to the new Nomad Insurance 2.0 key features. The new features are add-ons that you may add to your policy if you feel that you are in need of the extra coverage. If you're the adventurous type, you may have interest in the add-on Adventure Sports. This add-on will get you coverage for more than 30 different adventure sports like cave diving, quad biking and scuba diving, in addition to all the other activities that they already cover. Another new add-on is that of theft of electronics. Of course, your electronics are valuable and more than necessary when working as a digital nomad, so it's important that they are well insured, and with this add-on they will be, as you will be reimbursed up to $1,000 per item if your laptop, phone, camera or other electronic device is stolen. Besides these new add-ons, Nomad Insurance 2.0 also redesigns its claims experience. The claims experience is improved by adding a more user-friendly form, and the turnaround time is also faster than it used to be. All in all, Safety Wings Nomad Insurance 2.0 is the ideal insurance for remote workers and digital nomads worldwide. Don't just take our word for it, but find out yourself by clicking the link in the description box. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.